3 diagram shows the apparatus setup of a Daniell cell and inert value for 2 half cells. So in Malay, this is called cell Daniell, okay? Or in general, we call it cell chemia in Malay. In English, it's called voidic cell. Obviously, because you got 2 different metal electrodes. In Malay, you have a dual electrode logam yang berbeza. Okay, one is zinc, the other one is copper. So which one is the cell notation? So first of all, we have to identify which one is anode, which one is cathode. So if they give you the E naught value, which is more negative means this is anode already. More positive means this is cathode. So electron flow from anode to cathode. So that's why for zinc is anode, for copper is cathode. But remember, for voidic cell chemia, anode is negative, cathode is positive. So how do we write cell notation? We write always the anode part first, then only we write the cathode part. So the anode part is what to what? Now, anode start from, you can use the method, okay? Weak, strong, weak. So normally, we start with the strong first. So it means at anode, the electrode will become thinner. It will dissolve, it will melarut, and become thinner. In Malay, it's called become nipis. Okay? So Zn dissolve becomes Zn2 plus. Cathode, Cu2 plus, terbalik inside the water will form a lot of brown solid copper. So at cathode, the electrode become thicker. In Malay, it's called become tebal. So it means the order goes from zinc to Zn2 plus, Cu2 plus to Cu. So the correct order should be, obviously, it cannot be A and B already because you don't start with copper, we don't start with cathode, so it can be only C and donkey. C, the anode part is correct. Okay, this is how you write. How do you write cell notation? Zinc solid. Okay, Zn2 plus Aq with the concentration of 1.0 mole per cube. But this part is wrong for donkey because at cathode, we should write the Cu2 plus first. Then it will form a lot of brown solid. So the order from Zn to Zn2 plus, Cu2 plus to Cu. So the correct order is C in this case.